Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of the screen, which will bring down your toggles, and then in this area swipe down again, which will extend the list of visible toggles, and just look for the power saving mode. Now if it's not added by default, we might need to add it ourselves. Let's see. We have power boost, that's not it. At least I don't think it is. Let's see. Now hold it. Oh, it is. So apparently power boost yeah, so it looks like power boost is the option that Infinix went with naming power saving with. So anyway, let's find this, and once you see it, you can just simply tap on it and we can select enable power boost, and there we go. That's about it. Now for some reason it takes you to the settings instead of like turning it on by clicking on a toggle like it should do, like it does on every other device. So just know that you can turn it on and off from here. When you're trying to turn it off, I can then select close anyway, and there we go, it's now turned off. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.